Welcome to this tutorial where we'll create a simple chatbot using Flowise AI. The bot we're creating will respond to your messages with 3 random animals. Let's get started. We're on the Flowise AI home screen. In the left menu, select Chat Flows, then click Add New on the right side. Now we're in the chat flow creation interface. In the upper right corner, you'll see options to save the project and access project settings. Below that, you'll see the chat box icon. On the left side, there's a back arrow, and below it, a plus icon. Click the plus icon to open a menu of all modules available in Flowise. For this example, we'll stick with LangChain options. You can use the search bar to quickly locate modules, but let's navigate through the menus to get familiar with the tools. Let's build our bot. Start by selecting Chains in the menu, then choose LangChain from the drop-down. Click it and drag it onto the workspace. You can zoom in or move around the workspace by holding and dragging on empty areas. Click the plus icon again and go to Chat Models, then choose Chat OpenAI. Drag this node onto the workspace as well. We'll need one more element. Go back to the menu and under Prompts, choose Prompt Template. Looking at the LangChain card, you'll see 2 fields marked with a red asterisk. These are required: language model and prompts. First, connect language model by clicking the small circle and dragging a line to the Chat OpenAI node. Do the same for prompts, linking it to the prompt template node. Now let's configure the Chat OpenAI node. We need to set up 2 things: OpenAI API and model. First, enter your API key. Click on the Connect Credential field, select Create New from the drop-down, give it a name, e.g. OpenAI API key, and enter your key. If you don't have one, you can generate it on the OpenAI website. Click Add. Next, we'll choose the model. In this example, GPT 3.5 Turbo will work perfectly, but you may need a more advanced model depending on your future needs. Then, set the temperature option, which controls response creativity. Values range from 0 to 1. The higher the number, the more creative the model will be. We'll set it to 0.8 for a slightly more creative response. Moving on to the prompt template node, we'll add the instruction for our bot. For this example, enter "Tell me 3 random animals." Click Save. Remember that each time you test, the project must be saved for changes to take effect. In the upper right, click the Save icon, enter a project name, like 3 animals, and click Save. It's time to test. Click on the chat box icon in the upper right corner of the workspace. Send a message to the bot, such as "Hey." You'll see the bot responds with 3 random animals. You can try asking a different question, like random text, but you'll notice it still replies with 3 animals. That's because the bot lacks context beyond the initial prompt. It only knows to respond with 3 random animals. Later, we'll explore how to make the bot dynamically adjust responses based on your questions. And that's it. You've successfully created a simple chatbot that responds with 3 random animals. Join us in the next tutorial, where we'll add more functionality to expand our AI capabilities.